Hi guys, I'm Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. I know, you're in my email, you're on my YouTube channel, you're in my Facebook, you're in one of those things, so you already know who I am. Anyway, this morning, I am just letting you guys know that there is a new summit coming up that I am just so excited to be a part of. I am actually getting to be one of the speakers at the Scrapbooking Fun Summit coming up in just a couple of weeks. On November 1st is November 1st through the 5th. Scrapbooking Fun Summit is back, and we're going to be all holiday themes, so there's going to be a lot of scrapbooking, a lot of paper crafting, a lot of card making, yeah, of course, that's what I'm going to be doing. So my presentation isn't until Sunday, so this is going to be a weekend thing like what we've done before. So it's from the 1st through the 5th. My presentation is on the 5th, and I'm going to be making some fun holiday cards that are full of, yummy goodness. Anyway, I would love for you guys to come and hang out with me. I will be doing a live stream. I believe it's at 1 p.m. Eastern time on Sunday the 5th. But I plan on being in the chat in as many of the presentations as I can, because there are 25 of them. You know, sometimes I get busy, I can't be in all of them, but I'm going to do my best, and I can't wait to see all of them, because even if I miss the presentation or the live or whatever, I will be going back and watching the replay for everything to kind of fill my brain with more inspirational goodness. Anyway, I would love for you guys to come and hang out with me. There is going to be a link attached to this video somewhere so that you can go ahead and go over there and get your free, yes, I said free, your free ticket for the new Scrapbooking Fun Summit coming up on November 1st. You guys have a great day, and I will see you there. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye, guys.